Hello all, welcome to Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're going to see about calories estimation using Yolo. I will explain the abstract first. Here, our abstract explains the system that uses a Yolo. Yolo is nothing but you only look once. It's an equation of Yolo. It's an explanation of Yolo. The object detection algorithm to estimate the calories in food items from images. The system is designed to identify different food types in real time and match them with a database of nutritional information to calculate the calorie values. The YOLO model is trained on this diverse set of food images, ensuring it can accurately recognize food from various cuisines and presentation styles. The goal is to help user easily monitor their diet by providing automated calorie estimates, promoting healthier eating habits through technology-driven dietary awareness. I'll explain the introduction now. WHO, World Health Organization, obesity affects millions worldwide, significantly increase the risk of conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. A core element of weight management is understanding caloric intake, making precise caloric estimation vital for individuals aiming to maintain a balanced diet or purpose specific health goals. Traditionally, calories estimation has been performed manually using methods like food diaries, nutrition labels, or smartphone apps, requiring user to input data. While these methods can offer a degree of accuracy, they suffer from issues like use error, incomplete data, and and time-consuming tracking. Moreover, these approaches often fail to amount of difference in a portion size, preparation method, or variation across cuisines, leading to inaccurate in calorie taking. As a result, there is a pressing need for more advanced solution that enhance both accuracy and effective of calorie estimation. Here, the rapid achievement in computer vision and deep learning offering offer promising tools for automating the process. One of the leading algorithms is this field is YOLO, a state of art object detection algorithm known for its real-time image processing capabilities. YOLO architecture allows for the simultaneous detection and classification of health objects, making it highly suitable for identifying food items in image. Its ability to process images rapidly from high accuracy provides a foundation for application that assists users in monitoring calorie intake. Here, our objective is here objective of this study is to leverage YOLO strength to develop an automated calorie estimation system based on food images. By training the YOLO model on diverse data set of food image, we aim to build a robust system that can be reliably detect and classify different food types and presentation styles. This detection will be integrated with nutritional database to provide user with real-time calorie values for the food items by consuming, estimating the need for manual input, and then the broader implications of this research extended to public health as automated system for caloric estimation could help address obesity and promote healthier eating habits. Potential application range from personal health monitoring to integration within restaurant systems, helping users make informed dietary choice. The following sections will provide an in-depth explanation of YOLO algorithm, the methodology employed, the experimental research, and the potential impacts of these technology or dietary practice and public health. And this data set will be processed and we have pre-trained YOLO model. We will be inserted these images to YOLO model and we predict the output here. So run the program. Let's see this now. This is our data set. So like this our data set will be. In this we can see our close this. I'll run the main testing now. Here we have used the YOLO file. It's a pre-trained model. I'll run the main testing now. You can see the output. Yeah, this is our main program. Here, we have built a GUI here. This is our first class, and then we have used this def function to load a backward image. And here we have predefined our calories here, and these are the fruits what we will detect here. And this is our first page. And in this first page, we have kept an one login page. In the login page, in this login page, after only it will accept your login ID. You will insert your login ID password here. Run this program. So I'll have a good idea of this. Okay, I'll run this. Yeah, this is our login page. Calorie detection using machine learning. I want to log in now. Now I'll enter user ID and password. Yeah, now we should insert any image here. I'm touching this Yolo button. Now we have data set here. We can estimate calories of any images here. I'll estimate this. Is full of broccoli. Yeah, you can see this. Our detector is full of broccoli. Total calories 175 calories. A total protein is 12. Carbohydrate is 35. Fat is 2.0 grams. So age between 13 to 18 can take this. This I'll use some other. I can see this. Yeah. You can see this banana, apple, orange detector. An age group between 13 to 18 can take this. So thank you for watching our ILSN Technologies YouTube channel. For more Python videos, follow our ILSN Technologies YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.